Y'all, if you here for the first time, hit the subscribe button at the bottom right. Let's go, y'all. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make eggs. 3 easy ways. Look at that, eggs. The basic core of breakfast. 6 grams of protein, a nice source of the right kind of fats. Let's go. For a recipe like this, all you're gonna need is a roll of some kind, butter, salt, pepper, chili pepper, green onions, red bell pepper, eggs, and a skillet of some kind, and maybe a fork. Look at them. Look at them. Just get on in there. This basic item, we're gonna make magic. Let's go. Now, start this process off with the basic that you should have learned when you was a little kid. How to break an egg. We're gonna start with the plain egg. Go ahead and you put that in a bowl. You give it a whip. I mean, look, you don't even need a bowl. You can whip that up in what? A cup, right? In some cases, I've seen people actually take an egg and crack it and drop it right in the pan, but for consistency's sake, I like to mix that egg up like that. Real easy. We get us a cast iron skillet, right? We warm that up. Look what we're doing. We drop some butter on there. Why? Cast iron and butter, or cast iron and an oil, are always best buddies, right? We start with a low heat. We go ahead and pour our eggs on there. Now, you should time this. Look at this. It's a low heat. We've had our cast iron sitting on the heat for a little bit. Look at that. Just drag it around a little bit. You don't have to violently slap your egg around to scramble it up like a lot of people do. You can do this. It's already got its butter in there, right? Take it off the heat, shake it around. Look how it just slides around my cast iron. You see, you need to make sure you're caring for your cast iron, right? That's what you get. Look at that. What was that? A minute? You see? And we didn't burn anything. Now, look at that. We're already into the next one. Now we're going to the basic omelet. Take an egg, break it up. You see, I got rid of that whisk. I'm going to the fork now, right? You can do this. See? You got that at home. Whip that egg up real good. Lovely. You see our other egg down there? Perfect. Once again, we go back to the cast iron, back to a fat source, butter. Uh-oh, look at that. We got us some red bell pepper, some chili pepper, which is green chilies. We got us some green onions. Nice, right? But simple. That's a simple mixture. We're making the basic omelet, okay? We butter up our cast iron. We still got that low heat going on. You need that. Remember, if you treated your cast iron well, your egg should slide on in there real good. Now, after we got it heated, we pour our egg on. Now, look at that. We just go ahead and add some of our accoutrements. Green chili, red bell pepper, green onion. We even throw in a little salt and pepper later. Look at that. It's simple. Very simple. The taste, the flavors, those things work together with an egg. They just bring so much to it. Let's get in there close. Look at that. We got it on low heat so you can actually watch this process. You see that? You be patient with eggs. You need salt and pepper to taste. And what I like to do when you're dealing with an omelet of this type, right? I take my edges and I fold them in. I try not to break the egg with egg. It's a small skillet, so sometimes you got to deal with that, right? Go ahead, drop it on in. All right. What I like to do is, because I like to seal up my egg. I'm not one of those people that like the runny, drippy egg. I don't favor that too much, right? So I take my egg and I flip that thing right on over to kind of slightly seal it. But I try not to overcook it. Even though I don't like it runny, I still try not to overcook it so my eggs retain the flavor and it won't pick up a burnt taste. Look at that. Simple omelet. Tiny little simple 1 egg omelet. Look at that. You can do this. You see this? You can do this. You can master those eggs. Uh-oh. Now we at the cheese omelet bun. I like this one. We're going to take our omelet principle, right? But look at this bun here I made. This is my homemade soft bun. Gotta try one of these, y'all. Recipe coming up soon. Flour, salt, water, yeast. All right. What are we doing here? We're breaking open an egg. Look at this. This is the third recipe. Real simple, y'all. Whip that egg up on good. Look at that. We're almost done. Look. You know the basis of this. All we're doing is we're just upgrading a few things. We're just changing a little bit. We're going to put some butter in there, but that's way too much butter, y'all. I think we can do a little better than this, right? I mean, who really needs that much butter? I mean, it makes it easier, but we don't need that much. Look, I've already taught you something, y'all. If you're getting value out this, hit that subscribe button, y'all. Come on, let's get to 300 views. All right, look at this. Drop our egg on in there. All right. Look at that. Seconds. This is live. All I did was zoom in on it. Low heat. Let our egg do its thing. We start with a little salt and pepper. Then we're going to drop some of our accoutrements on there. Some of our red pepper, chili pepper, green onion mix. Real simple. This is for flavor, but now let's take it up a notch. Let's drop some cheddar cheese on there. Look at that. Nice, right? Simple. Who cannot do this? Drop some of our mozzarella cheese on there too, right? Here's the beauty of working with cast iron. Look at how it just gives up the egg to us. Just hands it back. And we flipped it over cheese directly on that pan. Now remember, if you properly maintain your cast iron, it's gonna fry the cheese instead of just burning it and sticking to your pan. Now we get that little bun we made, a homemade soft bun. Look at the cheese. Oh, gooey. It's beautiful, right? Look at that. Get in there. See? Our egg is cooked, not overcooked. Our cheese is melted. Look at, and this is beautiful, y'all. Look at this. What kind of breakfast you trying to have? Look at that. We didn't even get to the meat. Look at that, man. All perfect, no burnt eggs. Look at that. Low heat, slow cooking. You can watch it. You can do this. X, tell them about it.
All right. It's nice, soft, warm, fluffy like a little cloud. This looks like red bell pepper, some I think it's perfect. What would you put in it? Dang. I'll never go to Starbucks. What'd you put in this? Man, this is, I don't know if this is a biscuit, a muffin, bread, a bun. It's perfect.
All right, y'all. Hey, this shows you and tells you everything. Look, I'm David Griffin. Thanks for coming, y'all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. But yo, while you at it, this is my wife's channel right here, The Simple Way. Man, you gotta see what she over there doing. This deep dish pizza, she killing it, yo. This Alfredo, she's killing it. This oatmeal and yogurt combo, she's killing it. Look, y'all, check out her channel. That's my wife over there. The Simple Way. All right, y'all. Catch y'all later.